So my first trip to IKEA is very overwhelming. What would the day be without a trip to Starbucks? The only quip that I had is that they got my drink totally wrong. I ordered a strawberry lemonade, and that is not what came out. So it says it's a blended strawberry lemonade, and it's more like a frozen margarita. So. Okay, so we just arrived to our destination. Yes, I wore my camouflage pink shades just because I forgot to get my other ones, but I'm gonna show you a quick outfit of the day. We have a tube top and some mom jeans that we pulling off today, and we're gonna go in here and see what we can find. Okay, so I guess you're supposed to get a big yellow bag. I have no idea what we're gonna do with it, but I need a buggy. So this is my first time actually visiting an IKEA, so we're gonna walk through and just see some of the things that they have. I have a couple things that I need to get for the house, like shoe organizer, a duster, a stepping stool. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me, and maybe we'll find those things and some extra things. So let's get into it, see what they got. These are actually a pretty good price, especially like if you need some, you know, decent pots to put at the house. $5.99, can't go wrong with that. But I'm more into the foliage. Okay, find the product that you want. The product will have a code on it along with the price. You pick it up downstairs. You just got to remember what product you wanted. So I'm gonna take some pictures and get back with y'all. So my first trip to IKEA is very overwhelming. Even though I have a list, there's like so much stuff here, guys, like so much. We're doing our best to narrow it down, me and the big sis. We're still upstairs. We started out upstairs. We still need to go downstairs. And I don't know, I think we're about 2 hours in. Yeah, so definitely a day trip. Okay, so that was definitely an interesting experience.
But we have to, because I didn't get what the main thing I wanted.
So me neither, but they were out of stock of a lot of things, and that kind of made the difference. And I neglected to ask like how long the shipping time would be. But I'm still on the hunt for a TV stand. Did I get everything that I needed on my list? No, not really, but I did get some good things. So I'll be able to show you guys once I get home. But time to eat. So I apologize in advance that this video is probably going to be straight up and down, but I don't have my other tripod in the house, so that's what we're working with. I am so exhausted, I really don't feel like going back out to get it, but I wanted to show you guys really quick some of the things that I got from IKEA. The first thing I got were these throw pillows, which were $1.99. I really thought they were a really good price, so I picked them up to kind of to, I can't. So I picked them up to kind of add some interest to whether it be the bedroom or down in the living room, just kind of on the couch. But I really liked these. So I did get those. I got more pillows because I love pillows. I love pillows and mirrors. So these are actually washable, which makes them easier to deal with than some of your other decorative pillows. You can actually machine wash these, don't bleach, tumble dry, low heat, and you're good to go. And you know, wash your covers and you're good. So you don't have to keep rebuying pillows until you're ready to. So I really love these. These were $3.99. And so these. And then one of my favorite things are these blankets that I got for the kids' beds. So these are denim. I've always wanted like a denim sofa and also a denim spread. Now they didn't have it in king size, but they did have it in my kids' bed size, which is twin. So this will go in Aiden's room. I actually got 2 of these for the room. So we're gonna jazz his room up and make some changes in there. And then, what else did I get? A plug just for the wall. And I also got batteries, which I'm not going to show you. They were $1.99. And what else did I get? Glasses. So I needed to kind of revamp the glasses in the kitchen. And I just got some plain standard, like a 6-pack of glasses, just the tall boy glasses for the kitchen. And then I got this artificial plant, which I feel like adds a little more interest to my plant addition. Now, I don't know where this is going to go. I was thinking when I saw it, it was just kind of on a shelf and hanging. And I was like, oh man, I need that in my life, in my bathroom, because you know, the bathroom kind of is high where the shower is, but there's a shelf there, or kind of like a little area where you can sit something. I don't know if it's going to work up there or not, but I wanted to get one because they were actually having a sale. So that's all that I really got. That was all that they had in stock, guys. Like the shoe organizers, they weren't as cute as I thought they were going to be. I see this one online that's like plastic and you open it up and the shoes come out and you close it and the shoes go back in. I'll rather invest in that than to invest in something that I really don't want. And then, so that with the shoe organizers, that struck IKEA out for that. And then every single TV stand that I looked at that I was absolutely in love with, they had it in black. And you guys know that my room is mostly white, especially the major furniture. So I didn't want to kind of change the balance of the room with adding a black TV stand, because I feel like it's a major piece of furniture and it really would, you know, clash kind of with everything in here. So I'm going to go out and probably continue to look for a TV stand because I got to have one like ASAP. So that's kind of all I got. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you've stayed this long, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.